Hey, what's up guys? This is Rapid Fills here, and today I'm bringing you a different type of video. Um, we're going to be talking about GME. First of all, uh, please hit the like button if you learned something. Subscribe to the channel, follow us on social media, and if you're not in Discord, you're missing out. Come and join us. Even though I traded GME a lot today, as you can see, I was short in tops, covering bottoms, etc. This is not what I'm talking about today. It's not a trade review. It's actually a stock chart review. Okay, we're gonna dissect what happened today with GME. So first of all, we have this massive run up here that happened in late January, February, whatever. And the past couple days with GME, it just ramped up, right? We saw the stock go from 150 to 200. Yesterday, it went from roughly 220, 210, all the way to almost 250. And this morning is gapping up. So what the stock, what actually happened in the stock? You get a lot of buyers thinking the stock is going to go back to 500, right? And the first day, they were hesitant to get in. The next morning, it gaps up and it starts holding. So everybody's thinking the stock is going to go higher, right? So in the morning, usually this pattern right here, when you see a couple days up and then the third day kind of gaps up, you will see all these people that wanted to gap the stock end up selling, creating a selling pressure, which it just brings the stock down. Now, what happened is the stock got bought back up. One, because we know GameStop been on the headlines, a lot of people are on the stock. Twitter is talking about GameStop. Everybody's talking about GameStop is going to 300, right? To 500, whatever. So what I end up doing is getting the first people short into the stock and getting them squeezed. So this is when you think the stock, let's say, squeezed enough and it's going to come down. It actually squeezed more, and this is the when I saw this flag, that's when I just stopped. I actually stopped trading this. I thought this is gonna go higher. This is the flag that I was looking at. As soon as it broke that flag, I was out. It was above pre-market highs right there. So above pre-market highs, and if it broke that, I knew the stock is just gonna rocket. And sure enough, I wasn't confident to buy the stock because I expected something like this to happen. Didn't expect to happen at this magnitude, but I did expect some kind of wash that's gonna catch everybody. Anyway, so people keep accumulating, right? The stock is squeezing these shorts that got in shorts thinking this is the top. It's stopping near pre-market highs. That's it. Everybody, the stock is gonna die from here. What it ended up doing, breaking higher, and people started buying the stock higher and higher and higher and higher. The stock squeezed from 200, 300 here all the way to 350. I had a line on 350. Why do I have a line on 350? Yeah, it didn't even make it there actually. But I did have a line on my chart at 350. Maybe just I marked it because it's a round number. Anyway, so the stock kept going up and up and up. When the stock stopped going up, what happens? Everybody rushes sour, right? That's exactly what happened. If let's say a store just opens its door and it says, okay, you get in, you get everything you want, and if you get out with it before we close, that's yours. So everybody gets in and it says on the microphone, 5 minutes to closing. What's going to happen? All these people going to want to rush out, right? That's exactly the same analogy where the stock is going up and up and up and up and up. People are buying more and more and more and more. All of a sudden it has this massive wash, 347 to, so roughly 10 bucks. 10 bucks wash, everybody wants out, started halting down and down and down and down and down, right? So it created this massive wash. I did not expect this to go from 300 and almost 350 all the way to 170. Jesus. That's a massive wash right here. Anyway, so this is exactly what happens. And you can see this pattern over and over again, right? I mean, eyes a couple days ago, what is it? So that's it. This is one of the examples, right? Like one day up, and then the second day up, the third day gaps up even more. All these buyers, they're gonna create a short selling opportunity here. So you can see here, I traded highs today. I actually was shorting pre-market, got stopped out, and then I actually got in here roughly at the 11 or something, and I just walked the stock down. Anyways, and then I grabbed it was right here. Yeah. I grabbed a quick scalp right here off of that 12, 30s, 35s for a quick wash to the round number. Anyways, so that was about the GME trade, and this is what you need to look at. Don't get caught in these extended, super extended moves. This is not normal action. This is not something that you see a stock do go from 150 to essentially double, right? 150, 300, 350. That's not normal action. This is just GME. This is one in a year type of event. So don't get caught in those type of stock. Or if you really want to buy the stock, you can have a tight stop. Have a tight stop, even though your stop may trigger and you may end up covering right here, but it's better than being down 100 points or 150 points from your entry with, I don't know how many shares you have, 500 or 1,000 or whatever. So be careful with these extended plays. It's irrational trading. GME, it's definitely one of the toughest to actually read and have good reads on it, and especially when you have a platform that lags, which everybody's platforms is lagging lately for some reason. Anyway, so GME eyes again. I was shorting here off of this pre-market lows right here, and I covered it, and then it looked like it wants to pop, so I just let it be. I literally watched this actually crack that 13 number right here, and I thought that's too far. I'm not gonna chase it down here, just to see it go all the way to 10 bucks almost. So it is what it is. Eyes, and then can I took a long, and it ended up stopping out and not getting filled on the let me take off all the lines. Yeah, in the room I took it long right here with a stock operator. Stock didn't want to go out, literally stopped out right here, and I had this line sitting up right here for, so if I go to 2 minute, it will make more sense for you to see this. So literally I was watching this this line right here. I was trying to short, couldn't short, and it didn't get filled, and the stock just ended up dying from there. And then I tried to get it long. I was looking at this zone right here, because what it did, it actually cracked that trend line right here, and then it put it in a cup. So I was trying to buy it here for a probably VWAP wash tag. I mean, which didn't really tag it, but it almost there. Anyways, did not happen, and I didn't get filled here for a long or get filled here for a short, so I just canceled it. NCTY, I caught the first short, I did not catch the second short. Essentially the same thing. I didn't get filled right down here. You can see this is like a bear flag happening here, and I didn't get filled down here, but I did catch this short. Where is NCTY here? Give me NCTY here. This is the mark chart. You can see right here I catched it, and I just started covering on the way down. I didn't wait for here because I thought this thing was just gonna bounce to give me a better entry, which is it did. I literally did not get filled here, and I was really frustrated that I didn't get filled. So it is what it is. The other one that I caught actually was VIAC. So VIAC, I was short. What am I doing here? It was actually later in the day. Right there. I still have it marked. So, I mean, it's obvious, right? It's fake breakout, cracks support. Support becomes resistance. Boom, boom, boom. You get that wash that you're looking for. Creates a trend line. crash the trend line, you're out. I'm done. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Again, GME, this is not natural price action. This is definitely an extended play move. The stock was at, I don't know, where was it? Like 16 bucks, 14 bucks, 9 bucks. And it goes from 9 to almost 500. Actually, in aftermarket, I think it tagged 400, 500. And now here we're doing a dead cat bounce, and it's going up and down like crazy. So stay safe out there. A lot of crazy movers today. Like we saw MGI, it was popping up. KOSS was popping up again. BB, again, it's popping up. And everybody, as you can see here, just did that. 2 days up, third day just washed. Besides GME that put in like a nasty doji, whatever, spinning top, bottom, combined together, not knowing what it wants to do. So essentially it's putting in something like this day right here. So probably for tomorrow, I'm not touching this name at all. A reason being is, at this point, the edge is gone, in my opinion. Probably gaps down. If it gaps down and starts putting like a good top, and it gives me a good risk to reward ratio play, I'll try to short if I still have shorts, God knows. But otherwise, if it gaps up, I'm probably gonna leave it alone, essentially. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment below. If you learned something, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, follow us, and join us on Discord. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.